Good day to you all. Today is a very special and busy day. It is Thanksgiving, which is why I've decided to make today's video very short and brief. Today I'm gonna show you how I burned this little guy. I really loved making this jewelry piece, and I welcome you if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and welcome back to all of those wonderful subscribers. I'm actually kind of new to wood burning. It's not one of my specialties, but I really do think I am getting better at it. So let's get on with it. We have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you really like this content. If you would like to see more drawing videos and other crafts, please don't forget to comment what you would like to see more. Bye!